Hey guys, I am going to show you how you can use a handbook. So let's start with any book that you can use for your business. Before I start, I would say that it's quite simple, and after watching this video, you will completely understand how it works, and I would recommend you to try it as well so you understand how it works, and surely you will fall in love with it. So first of all, you can add a profile picture right here when you are going to enter the Honeybook. So I'm going to add, like, I don't know, let's choose one from the computer. Let's just take one and then let's click save. Okay, it's done. As you can see, when you view the invoice, you see how it looks. But let's go back to the home button and then let's go straight to what you can do in Honeybook. First, you will see the home button, then you will see the projects menu. The right side has OK. You can create the next project, and now you just add a project name here and let's go. If it's corporate design, even family parties can work with corporate, but if it's client referrals, you can also add a new lead source here. Then add the date here and create a project. You can also enter a date to create a project. Okay, so add a participant in our hot world to share files. You can add an email address and full name and just add someone. I am going to skip it right now, but you can do it today. Our project can be seen here, YouTube channel. Then we are going to see all the details here, like okay, we got a project name, corporate type, and they will take a location about the project. You can add a note, click on an activity, and then you are going to see files. You can add a new file, you can add a payment. The details are now available to you on the right. You have stacked inquiry, follow-up meeting proposal, sent proposed, assigned lead source. Let's choose Google. Then you can log time tracker here. Click plus and you can add a number of hours. So let's brainstorm number of hours. 10, all rate 15 rate, and date completed February. Save the entry. Okay, so as you can see, we got a time tracker, we have a lead source, and we have noted, and we have a due date, and you can also add a new task here as well as a YouTube video, and we have automation here, but you need participants if you want that. So we also got a lead source, we have note, and we have got time tracking. And automation, what we can do now is only payments, and let's create an invoice now. And now we have the option to create a recurring payment invoice schedule, payment invoice start date. Man, we call blank invoice, and now we can see that okay, bill to. You can simply add a client here. In addition, we will also create a client by ourselves. To build a client email address and full name as in the company type, company name, click add, voila. So we can add a client and edit, then we will add new items. Let's take coaching. You can price it with 50 unit item or hour quantity 5250, right? And if it's going to be a scheduled payment or recurring payment, you can charge your kind of repeated fixed amount for a set period, and you get it now. You can add recipient. You need to also add scheduled payment amount when, or you can make a recurring payment schedule every February, right? It's totally up to you, and you can add recipient. So just click add. Hello Mark, I want to share the invoice with you. Once you open the invoice, you can review it, make a payment online and send it. Also, you can go to settings and choose the template. Here is how you can actually create an invoice in Honeybook. So let's go to contacts, and you can see that we have the content that I created, and I can create a project on the contact. or I can simply add a new contact and the same thing will happen. With the edit email address file, name, phone mailing address, and then it has this great feature called Essentials Templates, which you can use to add a template for your invoice. For the contracts, you can really see and create every single template and customize it, so it's more effective than with libraries and uploading the automation of the image. We can also create a task, send the email to send questions, our calendar, like what is happening here in a Wednesday's date. We got it for the YouTube channel, and now we got for productivity. So now we get the scheduling, and then we get time tracking, so I can log new time or create an invoice to the chosen project if you create it right here with the time tracking. We also get finance reports, so you can see what's happening. You can also connect it to QuickBooks. Yes, and then you can also create a contact from here using the Chrome extension contact form. What you can do is create a contact form to capture payments or expenses. You can edit this as much and add it as you want, so I would suggest and recommend you to try your own preferences, edit it as you like, and bring it to a nice polished look which you like. And now the full name email movie is really great. One book isn't that hard to understand after this video. You will know exactly what to do. You can point it out and play around with it. Well, this is pretty much it. So I hope that you enjoyed the video and you understood the point. I would say it's quite simple, and I would obviously recommend you to use Honeybook and try the features. If you are a business, it will help you a lot and save so much of your time. So lastly, to conclude, thank you very much for watching this video, everybody. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I will try to answer all of them, and I'll try to help you in every way possible. So thanks again, you guys, and have a great day. Also, we will see you in the next video.